So it's 11:04. Just got off the train. I'm here at work. I got an hour to get myself together. So I got to change my clothes because I didn't put on polyester today, but I put it in my bag. So come with me to change my clothes when I get to work. Let's go. I made it. Yay. Let's see how many clothing layers I'm layered. Let's go. Not bad, not bad. Now let me transfer out from this to this. Okay, I still have my hat print on my forehead, which is okay. I'm about to heat up my food, eat a little something, something channel. We're on a road to 1K. 1K. How you do that? Bye.